Okay, so just open Photoshop and wondering how to bring your images in. In this tutorial, I'm showing you 3 easy ways to import your images into Photoshop, including all the positives and the negative. Just a simple clear steps you can use right away. Okay, so let's start with method 1, which is using the file menu. This one is perfect if you want your image to open in a new document in a clean workspace. So you simply go to File, click on File, and then you click on Open. Click on File and click on Open, and then you locate or you choose your image, the one you want to use. Mine is here. I'm locating my image. So let's say I want to use this image, so I'll click on it and then click Open. I'll click on it like this and click Open. So you wait for a while, you see that your image will open in Photoshop. So this is it. Assuming you want to use this image for your design, it is best for standalone image editing. It is clean and organized. Each image, it has its own tab. This image that is open has its own tab. And also the negative aspect is if you want to bring the image into your design, you need to copy and then paste. Let's say you have another design open, another document open, you are working with, and then as this image has opened, you have to either copy and then paste into the other designs. Okay, so let's talk about the method 2, which is using the drag and drop option on the drag and drop method. And this one is great when you need speed, right? So if you want to be fast in whatever document you are working with, the existing document that you've opened, you can use the drag and drop method. So you go to your file explorer in the task manager, and then you locate the file or the image that you want to drop. You click on it, just drag and drop on the existing document like this. So assuming you want to replace the lady's image here with this gentleman's image, you just need to use the drag and drop option. And then it is handy to use because after you drop it, you see the scales. See the scales on the side. You can resize it to any scale that you want, can place it wherever you want. And then it is fast. It's the fastest method. Okay, whenever you drag and you drop, you click enter, you see that it adds the image as a smart object. So the image plays now becomes a smart object. And then so the negative aspect is because it's a smart object, it confuses new beginners. So if you're a beginner and use this method, because the image plays is a smart object, you can't edit it directly. So the only thing you need to do when you want to edit it directly is that you right click on the image, then rasterize the layer first. You rasterize the layer first before you can edit it directly. That is what confuses mostly new users. Okay, so let's talk about our third method, our final method, which is placing embedded. So this one just handy and it's just simple, right? You just go to your file and click on File and click on Place Embedded. Place Embedded. So after placing or clicking on Place Embedded, locate your file, locate where the image or your picture is saved, and then you just have to insert that image right away. Okay, so I'm locating where my image is. I want to use this image, so I'll click on it first and then click Place. So this is like a professional way. Yeah, because the image is placed into the existing document. And then this option, like, it places the image into your design directly as smart objects, but with an important difference: it embeds the image into your PSD file. So this method embeds the image into the PSD file without no broken links ever. So one advantage of using the place embedded is it is perfect for layer projection. And when you want to save your file for printing, or later when you want to use the PSD file for anything in the future, you can use the place embedded. And the disadvantage is it brings in smart objects, as I already told you in the previous method, that it brings in a smart object which confuses beginners. So after placing, you just need to hit enter. If you forget, sometimes you get confused, so you just have to press enter, and that's it. So there you go, 3 beginner-friendly ways to import images into Photoshop. 1 being the file option, 2 the drag and drop method, and 3 using the place embedded. So each has its own superpower. If this video helped, drop a like, leave your comments, and hit subscribe for more beginner Photoshop tutorials every week. Let me know in the comments which import method are you using from now on.